My toilet's clogged and I don't have a plunger. Step 1. Grab your favorite dish soap. We like Dawn, not a sponsor.
Step 2. Put around a cup of soap into the toilet bowl. Let this sit for around an hour. Step 3. Once an hour has passed, you need to fill up a pot or a bowl with hot water. Next, you're going to pour that hot water into the toilet. Leave this in the toilet for another 30 minutes. The reason why this is known to work so well is because the combination of hot water and soap help dissolve and break up whatever it may be that is lodged in the toilet causing a clog. The dish soap will act as a lubricant and grease the clog in the toilet drain to get everything moving again. Once the 30 minutes is up, the final step is to flush the toilet. Your toilet should now be unclogged. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more.
And just like that, no more clogs.